Throw dagger. Nice guy. Oh my god, no! What the heck is that? Come on!
I'm ready to see you guys die instantly. Aw,
Oh,
man.
Jesus.
Oh yeah, this is the difficulty we all wanted, right? These birds are gonna kill me. Oh my god, I'm getting beamed in the back. I can't do anything.
Oh, I just got into the battle. I'm half HP already.
Oh, Sky,
I'm
you hit me.
helping.
Oh, you're welcome. Did I really?
Yes, there's friendly fight. Oh my god.
Oh.
Sky!
I didn't do that. That wasn't me. That
I
wasn't
saw
David,
you
why'd
snipe me.
That's close.
David, why'd you die there? Why'd you throw the game?
Um,
I'm not a guy.
That seems like it might be impossible. Oh my
Oh
god,
my
this
God. Oh,
you're shooting.
Oh gosh. I have auto aim on you guys. It's bad.
item.
Oh, someone's
Kevin,
about
I'm
to
gonna
die.
burn to death. Oh,
Kevin, how could you? I need bigger mushrooms.
Uh-huh. But I need items. Ow!
Super good footage.
Stand still. Kill me.
Oh my god, what the heck was that?
laser.
Oh, that was your passive going off, Sky. It hit me.
Oh really? What's my passive? Oh, my smoke.
Yeah, you smoke.
Oh!
Oh, snap.
Oh!
Help!
Time out!
Oh my god. Oh, and I died.
What the heck?
Oh, David.
How could you?
I don't know. Maybe if
I was
I like
doing
had more items than just 2 mushrooms.
I don't know what you're talking about.
My
Alright,
kills.
we should start the portal. These two don't need items.
Alright, I'm on.
On
it.
a 5 mountain.
Yeah, we need items.
Woo!
Kill them!
I'm running.
There was 5?
Yeah,
Yes.
I'm out of here. You guys can die if you want to.
What the heck?
Dang it.
Oh my god.
I didn't shoot you. You ran into me while I was shifting.
I saw
you
an
got
it.
insta
Kill them
kill,
all, kill them
dude.
all.
Kill a boss. You guys
Really?
should try.
No.
Oh snap.
I hope you're okay.
Why am I so heavily injured now? Ah! No!
Oh!
David,
David, that was 5 shrines, David. 5 shrines.
I was doing so good.
That was 5
Okay,
shrines.
fine. I'll play someone that's really easy.
Oh, save me.
I want to, but my moves will hit them. And you.
What the heck happened?
Dave, Kevin! Kevin just rams into me. What HP? Just no hesitation, just runs into me. What the f is wrong with you?
Oh, Kevin.
Oh, that's what's shooting us.
Ow! I'm already almost dead. I'm already
Why is he on the
almost dead.
floor? Also,
don't
why
know.
is Steve? He's.
Yeah,
You're gonna die, Steve.
I didn't even move. Why did they do that?
Yeah, I got raw items.
There's a
Oh
giant
my
nerd.
god!
Oh, there's
Watch!
2.
Oh my god! Run, Steve! Not that way.
Oh my god, don't worry.
Kevin, tap me a little bit, just like with your gun. Don't shotgun me. Tap me
That was an
again.
accident.
Yeah. Oh yeah, tap me again. Oh yeah, easy heals. What the? Oh my god.
What's going
Oh,
on?
it's our clones.
That's our
clones.
clones. Whoa.
Sky, how could you?
My own clone used my own attack on me and insta-killed me.
Was it that R ability?
Yeah, it was my R.
I heard that go off and then you just died.
Just try harder, guys.
What is that, every 10 minutes?
Yes.
Dang, right as I got decently fed with items, I just get one tapped.
That was actually... I completely forgot that existed. Oh yeah. Can't wait to see someone just fatally jump down to death. Dodge!
Yeah.
Oh,
Where's the second one? I can
Steve,
insta-kill.
What the heck?
you ran
Did
into
something
me.
shoot me?
You ran into my shift.
Yeah, whatever you say, David. You're just trying to kill me.
Uh-huh. Oh yeah,
Start
someone can
healing
kill
this.
Kevin.
Oh! Oh, imps everywhere. Look out.
Steve, you almost ran to like full shotgun.
Nah, man. You guys are just trying to kill me.
Oh, I'm gonna kill myself with these stupid grenades.
Oh!
Oh,
Wow.
Happen.
how could you?
I didn't do anything. I don't know why you keep looking at me.
I'ma suck you guys off with my R.
What?
Oh, look, a red item.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, damn. Give me a break.
I'm dead.
What? Man?
Wow, we
Knocked
just
me up into the sky.
we got a red item too.
I know. I mean, about 2 games ago, I got another red item, but didn't really help much. We need a buttload of those rocket basic
Alright.
hits.
How about we all play Rex? We all heal against each other.
Hmm.
I don't know how the healing stuff would go. Like, Steve,
Oh,
how you
you
already
moved
half
already.
dead?
I can't even move yet.
Oh my god, no wait. Steve's already throwing the game. Ow!
What?
I'm on fire. I might die.
Oh my
Be the one
god.
that kills us. You guys take the lead. I'm
Oh
out
yeah.
of here.
Ow! Poison on the floor. Steve left his poop on the floor.
Nothing like spawning
Yeah.
half
Oh,
health already.
piss.
No.
Clay
Oh my
monster.
God.
Why won't
Oh!
you die?
Well, there's 4 things throwing their balls at me. Okay. Not the first to die.
That was
Oh,
a
yeah.
really rough start. What the heck?
Hey, I was doing fine.
That was a
Alright.
great start.
I also play Rex.
Okay, Sky,
I'm
we'll suck
professional.
each other off right here.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. What the-
Oh yeah, we don't.
Well, what a waste of time. Hey!
Oh my gosh, that is some slow.
What the heck is... Oh, that's Steve.
Yes.
Oh my god, you pushed me.
I'm gonna push you off to death.
Ow. Oh! I'm dead. I'm dead. He healing
Wait.
off me.
Yeah, Sky, you and me shoot each other. Okay, it's
I'm
not
dying.
working.
It's working.
It's not working.
Some fat
Oh,
burns.
more heals.
Whoops. Thanks, David.
I was pushing that dude away from me. You were in the way.
Aw, yeah. Nah, you'll be fine.
Ah! Oh! Easy.
Ouch. Item. Oh, no way! I lost an item.
It wasn't me.
I'm amazed that I got it.
Why did the portal have to be way up here?
Very nice.
It's so high.
Oh my god!
I got more! You guys should have saw that!
I saw you go flying.
So they just
What?
flung you off the map?
Yes! This guy saw it all!
I saw the whole thing. That was pretty good.
Ooh.
Alright! Sky can't. You guys can't be mad at me for that?
I'm mad at you. I'm mad that you went flying across the whole game.
That was a good one.
We were doing so good and it just decides to fling me across the whole map and kills me.
Oh my god, it's the Eagles.
Worst thing in the game.
Oh,
What happened?
It's the Eagles. It's the Eagles.
We just got there.
In like 10 seconds.
Oh dang, I'm
There's already
gonna
a
set
big
up
guy at the
shop
bottom.
right there. Oh my
Oh,
god.
that's such a good spawn too. Oh my god.
I know.
There's
Give
one
me
right
My
here.
money.
goodness.
No, like
Oh my god!
other.
That's like 6
Steve.
brass contraptions.
We just
Oh my
got
God.
there. I don't have
God,
my
we're
shift.
in a pool together.
Let me. Oh yeah,
Ow.
luxury
Ow, ow,
right
ow.
here.
Not bad.
Oh, I had 2 guilties. I was the most useful guy there.
I got stuck on top of the big fire guy.
Wait, Kevin, did you also die?
I thought I was the one who died.
Kevin was the reason why we died there.
Oh,
I thought it was David.
yes, Kevin.
Oh, really?
I just like saying Kevin's name.
Oh, it was all David.
No, it was all Kevin. Okay, I'm not gonna camp in that pool anymore.
No, I
Yes,
thought the
you
pool was a great idea, honestly. And just Kevin sucked.
Whoa, David's the one who died. Oh, there's giant blobs.
What?
Oh,
Oh! Yes, it wasn't me. I wasn't the sucker.
maybe
Man.
we should play normally.
No, no. two more times. We got this. I mean, I at least want to make it to the second round, okay?
We are.
We haven't done that yet.
Oh, I'm dead. Oh, I survived.
Oh, I died.
Oh, it was
Ken,
me.
why the heck were
Yeah, it
you
was me, guys.
in there?
There was a white item.
I'm
Yeah,
the
yeah,
best.
I knew it. It was that white item I left. I left the white item in there.
Look, an item. Yeah, Kevin, walk right up to it.
I don't know what I would. And Kevin's dead.
Oh, it was
Not
Kevin.
bad.
They have heat-seeking missiles.
Kill it, Sky. Kill it.
Okay, what?
My turret.
It.
Oh,
of
you're right.
course.
Ah!
I didn't even hit you.
This guy's gonna murder me. Someone help.
No
Don't worry,
way.
I got you.
Man, Kevin, why do you have to steal the one equipment item?
Thanks, David.
Hey, man, you all look the same. Lizard people. Yeah, let's get out of here.
We made it to round 2, guys.
Don't you mean the best players made it to round 2?
Yeah, I felt bad for always winning every single round for you guys, so I'll let you guys win.
Oh, snap.
Calm her down.
Oh,
What the heck
snap.
is that?
That's
happened?
our
Oh.
clones.
Fall damage?
Second jump OP.
Oh, yeah.
What the heck is that guy doing?
Oh! Oh my god, no! What the heck is that? Come on!
I think you should stop playing him.
I
Ken,
can't
why are
even
you half
move.
health already?
Because they got on me after.
I need that.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Stupid mushroom thing literally spat one thing at me and I died.
Skill diff.
Oh, hot stuff. Die! You shot me!
David, did you just see that?
No, I'm spectating Kevin.
Oh my god, he ran into my shot.
How could you, Sky?
Oh,
Whoa!
Oh, Sky,
no.
you might be dead. Oh.
Why
Oh.
is there so much lemurs?
Throw dagger. Yes, Sky.
got glitched through
Wow,
the
I
map.
think I'm dead.
Good one there, Sky. Skill diff right there. Oh my god. I need that punk to come out here. I also need you to strike me once, Steve. I don't want this blue circle thing on me. Oh, 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 oh!